Okay, let's talk about it. $400. That's a serious chunk of change for a Shopify theme. So today, we're putting the Prestige theme under the microscope to figure out if it's really a smart investment for your brand or just, an expensive coat of paint.
When you're building a high-end brand, your website has to feel the part. It's not just about looking pretty. Your theme is the foundation for everything. It's how your brand feels, how easy it is to shop, and really how your customers decide what you're worth.
And that brings us right back to the big question. With so many free themes out there, does it actually make sense to shell out $400 for a premium one like Prestige? Well, that's exactly what we're here to figure out. We're going to break down the cost, the features, and the real-world value you actually get.
All right, so let's get into the theme itself. First things first, you got to know who's behind it. Prestige is made by a team called Maestro, and if you've been around the Shopify world, you know they have a stellar reputation for building beautiful, rock-solid themes and for having amazing customer support.
And this is super important. Prestige is not a theme for everybody. It's not some one-size-fits-all solution. It was specifically crafted for those aspirational high-end brands. We're talking luxury apparel, premium cosmetics, artisanal goods, brands that need that elegant magazine-style feel to really let their products shine. And with over 90% positive reviews in the Shopify theme store, it's pretty clear that for the right brand, it really delivers.
One of the cool things about Prestige is that you actually get 3 distinct styles. You've got the classic Prestige style, which is clean, timeless, and elegant, perfect for premium home goods. Then there's Couture, which is much more bold and minimalist, with an asymmetrical layout that feels right out of a high-fashion magazine. And finally, there's Vogue. It's dynamic, vibrant, and really modern, making it a great fit for beauty or trendy apparel brands. You can already start to see which one might match your brand's vibe. Okay, a beautiful design is one thing, but if your site is slow, customers will just leave. So now let's pop the hood and see how this theme actually performs and what kind of features it's hiding. Whoa, okay, look at these scores from the official demo store. A 92 on mobile and a 97 on desktop? That is seriously impressive, especially for a theme that's so visually heavy. What this tells us is that it's built on a really clean, optimized code base. In plain English, that means it's built for speed, which creates a much better, faster experience for your shoppers. So here's the deal, and this is a really crucial point. That slightly lower score on mobile isn't a flaw in the theme, not at all. It's because the demo store uses these massive, uncompressed images. The lesson here is so important. The theme gives you a lightning-fast foundation, but you have to do your part. If you properly compress your images, you can push that mobile score even higher. All right, this right here is where that $400 price tag starts to make a whole lot of sense. Prestige isn't just a design, it's a whole toolkit. It comes with things like an advanced mega menu for navigation and these awesome Shop the Look hotspots that let you tag products right in a photo. These are powerful tools you'd normally have to pay for with separate monthly app subscriptions. And you don't have to take my word for it, just look at what the users are saying. People consistently say it's not just beautiful, but it's also stable and easy to use. You don't have to sacrifice a high-end look for something that, actually works. And they always mention the amazing support from the developers, which is a huge, huge plus. But to keep it real, nothing's perfect. This review from a long-term user makes a fantastic point. The theme is opinionated. That means it's designed to look good in a very specific way. If you want to make really deep customizations, like changing a small detail here or there, you'll probably need to hire a developer. It's definitely not a blank canvas. Now for the main event, the money. Let's break down that $400 investment and see if the numbers really add up. So the upfront cost is simple. It's a one-time payment of $400. You buy it once and it's yours forever, and that includes all the future updates from the developer. But here's the other side of that coin. To get all those features we just talked about from third-party apps, you'd be paying about $45 a month. That adds up to over $500 a year, every single year. So when you do the math, you see the real value. The Prestige theme pays for itself in just about 8 months. After that, you're actually saving money every year. Plus, you're avoiding app bloat, which is when having too many apps slows your whole site down. So yeah, it's not just an expense. It's an investment in both your finances and your site's performance. So, we've looked at the design, the performance, and the cost. Let's pull it all together and give you the final verdict to help you decide if Prestige is the right call for your brand. Here's the honest breakdown. On the plus side, you get that polished, high-end design, you save hundreds of dollars a year on apps, you get great support, and it's built from the ground up for visual storytelling. On the downside, there's that big upfront cost.
It absolutely requires professional-level photos to look good, and any deep customizations are going to require a little bit of code.
So, who should buy this theme? It's a clear yes if you're running a premium or luxury brand, you already have a library of amazing, high-quality photos, and you want those built-in features to build a fast, cost-effective store. If you're nodding along to this checklist, Prestige is probably a fantastic fit for you.
On the other hand, you should probably think about alternatives if you're just starting out on a really tight budget, if your product photography isn't quite there yet, or if you simply don't need all the fancy visual features it offers. In that case, the investment probably won't pay off for you. And that brings us to the final question, which is really a question for you. It's not just about whether the theme is good, because it is. It's about whether your brand has the visual firepower and the premium identity to make the most of it. So, is your brand ready for Prestige?